name is Wanda. Welcome back to my channel, The Art of Decor. Today I am going to do a late summer tablescape. It's simple, hopefully it's elegant, and you like it. So join me as we get started. I'm going to start with my tablecloth, and instead of putting the entire tablecloth on the table, I'm just going to angle the tablecloth on the table to give it a touch of softness. That's what I want to do. So that's how I'm starting off here. So there will still be a feel of the tablecloth on the table, and there will be still a feel of softness, and that's what this is aimed to do. Then after I put that down to soften the table, I am going to go ahead and put my centerpiece lion on the table. And I'm placing that smack in the center. So once again, the tablecloth is at a 45-degree angle on the table. And it's gathered. Then I place the centerpiece floor arrangement lying on the table. Next, just to elevate it just a tad bit, I am adding 2 candles for some soft lighting. Oh. Then I am adding in the candles. I am placing a tall one up top. And then the smaller one. To stagger. Let's okay. Next, I'm going to the chargers on the table. And here, as you can see, these are the chargers that I am going to use for this tablescape. I'll give you another peek. Here's a close-up shot of the chargers. And I'm simply placing them down in their locations. Then after the chargers, I'm going to place the plates down, and the plates are the, it's called the Great Exposition plate, which is the on the plate. Placing this down. Next, I'm using the matching, see here, can you see that? It's like a, it's a lavender color. because the colors that I'm using are lavender, and this is a lavender vintage cake plate. After I finish placing down my cake plates, which is a vintage yellow, I am going to go ahead and complement those using a lavender stemware. Now I picked these up from Z Gallery in 2016. So that's what these are. The stemware from Z Gallery glass. And the vintage plates came from a antique store around 2017. Next, I decided to use my lavender napkins. I picked these up back in 2016 from Z Gallery as well. And next, I am going to top the napkins off using lavender napkin rings. Just want to keep it simple and inviting. This setup is for a brunch. It's not for dinner or breakfast. It's for a simple brunch. And that's what this setup is for. I like setting up for brunches, lunch, dinner. And since it's brunch, and we having dessert and light sandwiches, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with the utensils that we're going to use. So I'm using brunch utensils, and it has just a little rose motif. Let's see here, I can capture that. I'll take it to the center and maybe, there we are. And what I am doing is I am placing it on the table to the left, and I'm breaking the rules. I just want to do it my way, so I'm not doing it according to the traditional setup because I want to do it my way.